Welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do a ZGallerie dupe. We are going to do their Devon mirror using Dollar Tree products. So let's get right into what you need for this DIY. So you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree 8-inch round mirrors. You're going to need 12 of the Dollar Tree's 2x3 picture frames. You're going to need your E6000, some paint brushes, scissors or X-Acto knife, of course your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. You're going to need your mirror effect spray, paints of your choice, and a piece of cardboard. So let's just get started on our DIY. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to open up your 2x3 mirrors. So you'll have all of them open, and what you want to do is, so you're going to take these two pieces right here and you're going to put them off to the side. So you're going to have 12 of pieces like this, and then you're going to take your 2x3 mirror and you're going to take them outside in a well ventilated area, and you're going to spray them with mirror effect spray. Okay guys, so while the inserts are drying, we're going to work on the frame of the mirror. And I'm going to take the empty picture holders, and I'm going to put the flat side like this. I'm going to put that against the frame itself, so the opening would be back here. So I'm just going to position them around. I know it takes 12 because I already measured it. Guys, I'm over at our first home that we lived in, and we're remodeling over there. And I'm allergic to latex, and so I was scraping popcorn ceilings off, and I did not realize that the paint was latex paint. So now I have webs all over me, and I'm still itching like crazy, and I have to go back over there today to work on it some more. So I'm trying to figure out what to wear to keep my skin protected. And so now what I'm just going to do, I'm going to go around with my E6000 and my hot glue, and I'm going to secure it to the frame. I'm going to finish this process all the way around. Okay fam, I did a rookie move. You saw how I had laid everything out right, and then as I started gluing the pieces on, I moved them out the way. Well, don't do that. Once you get them in place, take one out at a time and glue it, because when I got around to the last one right here, I end up having to cut it to make it fit in here, which is not gonna matter because it's going to be painted. But I just wanted to show you guys that So the next thing I'm going to do is, you don't have to, most of these mirrors you see them in either silver, gold, or black. So if you wanted to, you can leave it black, you can paint everything silver, you can paint everything gold. But because mine is going in my gold and silver room, I am going to first paint it with the white paint, and then I'm going to go back over it with this metallic amethyst paint right here. So the white paint is going to make the pink paint, the purple paint pop more. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this process and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I got one small coat on it, and I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go back and put a second coat on it. Okay guys, now that I have the two coats on it, just remember it does not have to be perfect, because this is just the base for putting down my main color, which is the amethyst metallic color. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back probably after I put the one coat of the metallic purple on, or amethyst on. So I know this color is a little bit different than what you guys are used to. And I will say, make sure that you get on the sides of it, like right where I'm going down in between, right in between here. I am going to let this first coat dry, and then I'll be back after I do the second coat and we can move on to the next step. Alright fam, so we have our second coat on and it is dry. So we're going to sit this off to the side for just a moment. And I know my cardboard is all painted up, but it's okay. So the next thing we're going to do is, beforehand I forgot to tell you that before you started anything, that you need to sit just your mirror base down and trace a circle. So that's what I did beforehand. I set that mirror down, the frame down, and I made a circle. And now we're going to cut that circle out. Alright, so now we have our circle cut out. And we are going to now bring our frame back, and we're going to flip it upside down. We're going to sit this off to the side for just a second. And now we're going to get our inserts that we spray with mirror effect spray, and we're going to start inserting them into these back into their frames. Okay fam, so we have our pieces back, and you're going to have two sides on it. You're going to have this side right here that actually kind of resembles a mirror, and then you're going to have the back side, which is dull. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the side that has the mirror effect, that looks the best. You're going to take one of your little black cardboards that came out. So you're going to lay this down in here like this. Put that in there. And then you're going to sit one of these inside. And the black is going to help the reflective more. And then we're going to put a top back in here. So we're just going to do that all the way around. Now guys, if you want to do this project, you can do two things. One, you can get a bigger mirror, this part right here, and you can make the mirror bigger, because you know, of course, ZGallerie is bigger than this. And guys, I thought of another way that you can actually use this project, this DIY as well. So you can actually take and put, instead of making the glass mirror effect, you can leave them clear, and you can put family pictures around it. Alright, so we have this in now, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to put it all around where the frames are at to give it some more stability. Alrighty guys, so that is done. Alright, so now that we have all of them in, I'm going to lift it to see if it holds good. It holds pretty well. So now to secure the glass in for the mirrors, I'm going to just put a bead of glue along the edges. So I'll push that in, and then I'm going to go right here, right across there, and seal everything in. Okay, just like that. I'm going to finish the rest of them, and then we'll be back. Guys, I decided to go ahead and pop the stands off, so that will alleviate just a tad bit of weight on them. So all I'm doing is just holding it and snapping it off. So now I'm going to put the mirror in. Oops, gotta put it in upside down. And I am going to hot glue around it to keep it in place. Okay guys, so now we have the mirror secure. We're going to take our piece of cardboard and we're going to lay it on the top of the framing. So I'm going to put some glue right up in here to let it hold on to, and then I'm going to go around and I'm going to secure this up here. Alright, just like this, guys. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over. And it seems like it's sturdy enough that I don't have to put any braces on it. I'm going to flip it back over, and I'm actually going to use one of the stands from the picture frames to glue down to hang it up. Then I'm just set this here to dry, and I'll be back with the finished product. This is my own design. I am going to take it, or should I say making it my own. I'm going to take some of the Dollar Tree silver beads, and I'm going to glue them around the picture, around the mirror. So here we have the Devon ZGallerie inspired dupe mirror, and as I said, I did mine in purple and silver because it's going in a purple and silver or purple and gray room. So let me know what you think about it, and like I said, if you want to make it larger, you can get a larger mirror and make it larger. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.